Because what happens when you jerk it off, I mean, the gun's going to go like this, you'll dip. And when it dips like that, it's just like this. Because what's happening is the front sight's going down, and all you're doing is looking through the rear sight. And you'll swear to be damned that you had them lined up. And you did until you pull the trigger. So it can't be, I get it lined up, and then, bam, it jerks. You can't anticipate it. So what happens is when you pull it off, you're looking, boom, it goes off. It's a surprise. And you back off the trigger, because we've got semi-automatics. Because if you hold the trigger down, you're going to have a malfunction. So you got to back off the trigger and let it reset itself so you can pull the trigger again and shoot the gun again. And that's going to be particularly important when we start getting into double tapping.
Hey, it's Jimbo over here at Fight Fast and TRS. I think we've just invented the world's biggest, most practical pocket knife. It's called the Kodiak. This is a beast, nearly a foot long. It's the biggest tactical folding knife you'll ever own, guaranteed to freak out your buddies or carve up a moose or take down a charging grizzly if that's what you need to do. And today, you must act right away. You see, I've only set aside 200 Kodiaks to be part of this offer. That's not a lot of knives to go around. If you wait even for a day, you'll almost certainly hit the dreaded sold out page.
Now, as far as trigger finger, that's a very important thing we want to talk about. You don't want to get too much trigger finger in there, because what happens, watch the barrel of my gun, if I get too much trigger finger in, I'm pulling it to the right. Now that doesn't look like much at all, and maybe at 3 meters or 7 meters it's not a lot. But when you start talking about 10 meters, 15 meters, even 7 meters, it means you may miss the target. And remember, what we're teaching is we're not teaching IPSC, we're not teaching like a shooting course where you can go compete with targets. We're talking about saving your life. So we're trying to imagine, somebody has broken into your house. It happens all over the United States now. It's like a foreign country when it comes to crime. And they've got your wife in a chokehold, or they've got your child or something like that, and you've got to take a surgical shot. And you say, well, that'll never happen to me. There's a bazillion people that think that. And you can't say, well, I'm just going to talk them out of it now because they wouldn't dare cut my wife's throat, or they wouldn't dare shoot them. Well, you need to watch CNN News or your local news, because it happens every day. Just like car hijacking. The technique now is to walk up and not say, hey, give me your car or give me your keys. They come up and put a gun in your face and blow you away, then take your car. Which, if you think about it, it's a lot easier to do that way. Because there's no arguing, a lot less attention brought to them and things like that, and they're away with your car. Cars in Mexico, before your blood is ever finished flowing out on the street. Trigger finger, if you get too little trigger finger in there, it's the very tip of the trigger finger. Watch my barrel, I'm pushing and it goes to the left, okay? So you're pushing it away or you're pulling it to the right. So the basic, or the best way to do it, and you'll figure that out once you get on the range, is the first little pad of your finger. What you want to do is center that up so you've got like an exact amount of pressure coming to the rear on your trigger, okay? Now this is particularly going to be important for you guys that don't have Glocks. The other guys, like the ones that carry the boat anchors or the trot line weights or whatever you want to call them, guns, okay? Because we have the same trigger pull each time. The ones that have the double action weapons that don't have the hammer back, the single action weapons, what you have to do is set the trigger the first time or set the hammer the first time, so it's a little bit harder pull. And then, of course, the next one is different because the hammer's already back. It's not a constant pull. So it's very important that you have equal pressure pulling the trigger back. Those of you who have the cock me, squeeze me, love me, kiss me guns, that's even another thing. You need a Chinese magician to help you out.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.